Welcome back. Today is lesson number 7 of the R controlled vowels. And once again, we're taking a closer look at the OR, the vowel O that's controlled by that R. It changes the sound of O. It no longer says it's short sound. It no longer says it's long sound. It says its own unique sound, which is what, guys? That's right, or. So I'm gonna write letters. You're gonna tell me the sounds of those letters. We'll blend those sounds to form words. Let's get started. Sound. Sound. Or blend pour. Sound. Blend port. Word port. Sound. Sh. Sound or blend shore. Sound t, blend short. Word short. Sound Sound or blend more. Sound t, blend mort. Word mort. Sound f. Sound or blend for. Sound blend for word form. Sound b. Sound or blend bore. Sound blend bore word born. Sound s. Sound or blend sore. Sound t, blend sore word sort. Sound k. Sound or blend core. Sound k, blend cork. Word cork. Sound Sound or blend nor. Sound blend nor word north. Sound k. Sound or blend core. Sound d, blend cord. Word cord. Sound f. Sound or blend for. Sound t, blend fort. Word fort. Sound f. Sound or blend for. Sound k, blend fork. Word fork. Sound s. Sound t. Sound or blend store. Sound blend storm. Storm. Let's just read these words for fluency. Port, short, mort, form, born, sort, cork, north, cord, fort, fork, storm. Again, all of these contain that OR. What does OR say? Or. That OR has its own unique sound. And it says what? That's right, it says or. All right, guys, the next thing we're going to do is the automatic word recognition. So again, we're going to be doing that with fluency. All right, we're going over the automatic words. Let's start. Word, 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 and word. Okay, I want you to take some closer look. We've got a long O here. We've got a long O here. We also have the TH, and that makes the th sound. The CH says ch. We have a couple of those. And it looks like the rest are short vowels. Let's get started. Slope, slim, mash, toe, pond, fit, lump, thump, fund, lunch, clutch, and bet. If you did not read them quickly, then you need to practice them. Go back until you can build that fluency piece. All right, we're getting started with, you need to have a piece of paper and a pencil. And again, this is the part where you need to take a picture of it and send it in to me for a grade. All right, so the first word is form. Say form. Tap it out. Or, say it, form. Sound as you write. Write the word form. The next word is snort. Say snort. Tap it. S-n-or-t. Snort. Sound as you write. Write the word snort. The next word is sport. Say it. Tap it out. S-p-or-t. Sport. Sound as you write. Write the word sport. The next word is corn. Say corn. Tap it. K-or-n. Corn. Sound as you write. Write the word corn. For the next part, I'm going to say the sentence. You're going to repeat the sentence. I will say it again. Then you will say it again. Then we will say it together and count the words that are in the sentence. Remember, you always start off your sentences with uppercase letters. Make sure that you have proper spacing in between every single word and that you end with the correct punctuation mark, whether that be exclamation mark, a period, or a question mark. Let's get started. Tom and Bob have corn and a cup. Say it. All right, my turn. Tom and Bob have corn and a cup. Say it. Okay, this time we're going to say it together. Count. Tom and Bob have corn and a cup. 8 words. Go ahead, write that sentence. Tom and Bob have corn and a cup. All right, I think you've had plenty of time. If you have not, pause it, and we're going to look over the spelling. Again, this is OR. So all of these words that we've written have that OR spelling. So you can look right away and see if you did it correctly. Do you have an OR in the first 4 words? And again, that OR sound is what? That's right, or. So or, form. Again, all lowercase letters. If this is an uppercase letter, you need to change it. Ort, snort, S-N-O-R-T. Again, all lowercase. The next word is sport. Sport, sport, S-P-O-R-T. Make sure it's all lowercase. The next is or corn. It should all be all lowercase. And then we've got CBC word here, and it's an uppercase because it's the beginning of a sentence, but it's also a proper noun. It's a person's name. Tom, and again, uppercase B. If you do not have an uppercase B here, you need to change it. But take a close look. This is lowercase b. If you have an uppercase B here, you need to change it. Bob, have, or, again, we have that or sound, so it's spelled O-R, and a k, up, CBC word. And it's telling us something. It's telling us that Bob and Tom both have corn in a cup. Since it's telling me something, I end with a period. All right, we're getting ready to go on for that decodable text. This is the part that you take a picture and you send it in to me for a grade. All right, these are the 3 irregular high-frequency sight words. The first word is Ben. Say it, spell it. B-E-E-N, Ben. The next word is called. Say it, spell it. C-A-L-L-E-D. The word is called. And the next word is who. Say it, spell it. W-H-O, who. We're going to be looking for these irregular sight words along with sounding out those O-R words in our decodable work. So let's get started on that. Where did I put that? Right here it is. Sorry about that. Decodable work, lesson 7. All right, so let's look for this word. Ben, who, called, Ben, who, called, who, called. All right, now let's look for the bossy R, or the R controlled vowel words. P, ort, port, k, or, corn, f, orc, fork, sh, ort, short, f, or, thorn, f, ort, fort, f, or, for. And here's a bossy R, art, art, p, ort, port, f, ar, farm. Pause the video, read it on your own. Once you have fluency, come back and read with me. Let's begin. The ship has been to the port for a week. Who has the corn and fork? Jill has been called short. A thorn has been at the pond. Who is at the fort? She had called for Carl. Who does art by the port? I have called you to the farm. Let's read it again. The ship has been to the port for a week. Who has the corn and fork? Jill has been called short. A thorn has been at the pond. Who is at the fort? She had called for Carl. Who does art by the port? I have called you to the farm. Okay, this you need to keep reading until you are reading with fluency. So if you want, pause it and keep reading. Otherwise, I will see you here tomorrow, and it will be lesson 8 tomorrow. See you then.